Also, the rental yield by the time you get the possession of the property, that will also go up, right?
Yeah, rental yield, Ganesh, yeah, on the price at which you purchase, because you purchase at early stage, entry level. Naturally, you will have like a 3.5% rental yield to 4.5% also. It goes in cities like Hyderabad and Bangalore in certain, I would say, IT pockets. And off lately, things like short-term rentals have come up. Of course, short-term rentals are not allowed from a norm standpoint, city to city that changes. But another trend what we are seeing is the unmarried professionals category, jo hota hai na? Let's say somebody who's 25 years and working and not yet married, but working a good job, like somebody who's earning like 10 lakhs ka package, 10 to 15 lakh ka package, right? People again working in the tech sector. For these candidates, the studio-based infrastructure is very poor in our country, right? Some of the co-living companies are trying to solve for this problem, but it's not yet solved at scale, right? It's still in early nascent stages. What I am seeing is these days, people are buying a 3-bedroom apartment, and instead of renting it out to a family, might give me 50,000 in rent. I'm renting out each bachelor ke liye, I'm renting out one bedroom, charging 20,000. So 20 into 3, 60,000 I'm getting rather than 50,000. So 20% more rent. This is a trend which is going up a lot in both Hyderabad and Bangalore, which is further increasing your rental yields and taking it up to 4.5%.
Got it.
But however, if you're in your 30s, I wouldn't recommend earning in real estate via the rental model, because your money will run at 4.5% is your month-on-month rental yield in certain pockets. And there's an appreciation, वही example से ले लेंगे, so 6.5%, 4.5 plus 6.5 is 11. Why running like your money running at 11% is, I feel, is slower in your 30s. It can run at 18 to 20%. Probably if you're somebody who are closer to 50, right? Then what happens if you take a home loan? You will not get a 20-year home loan. Why? Because you won't be working for 20 years, right? So you're closer to retirement. So you might get a 7-year home loan. So your monthly EMI is going to be very high. In those cases, what I do not recommend the flipping strategy. I recommend the rental wala earning, right? So because after 5 to 7 years, you're going to retire, then you need income replacement tools, right? Passive income.
Correct.
So your retirement life can be easy. In that case, investing in real estate from a rental standpoint makes sense. In that case, don't do residential real estate, because at max it can give you 4.5%. to commercial real estate,
Got it.
which will give around 6%. REITs are also now giving 6.5%. So they can do that.
So, one doubt that I had is